All right, everybody, good morning. So I'm gonna shoot this video here quick because I want everybody to see a blizzard. For those of you who are in the different countries and never had a chance to experience a blizzard. So I'm getting ready to go outside here, and I want to show you a couple things first. First, this is my beast, the beast of the Northeast. This will be moving here in about 15 minutes. First, I'm going to take you for a walk around my property and show everybody exactly what a blizzard looks like. So first, let me turn around here and show you that the wind is blowing so hard outside. I've got a little holes down in the bottom of my garage door, and the snow is actually blowing in. It's piling up on my garage floor. So here you go. Here's another shot on the other side. All right. So the moment for the truth here. There we go. Let's open this door up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Blizzard time. So stand out here first. We'll take a look around. This is the driveway. Pretty much a couple spots here that are blown. It's blowing so hard here that it's just bare. It's stripped down to bare. My shed. All right, I'm going to go for a little walk here around the property. So if I can even stand in the 10 feet of snow, it's getting pretty deep. It's just up to about my middle of my shins. If you look down yonder here, you can't barely see. The visibility is so poor. We have a cottage house that's down there in the far end of our property. You can't even see it right now. So I'll take a walk over here to the end. We have a 100-acre field on the end of our property here. And if you can imagine, a 100-acre field is pretty expansive. So I'll just give you an idea of what the visibility is right now. 35-mile-per-hour winds, and it's coming down at the rate of about 3 inches per hour, 3 inches of snowfall per hour. This would be the field of about 100 acres. Again, we're at about zero visibility. Turn around for you here, give you an idea of my front yard. This is my front yard. We're just getting, what's the word for it? Slammed. Northeast, blizzard of 2017.